Let's discover the amazing world of computers together. Imagine a computer as a super smart friend that can help us do lots of cool things. Just like how we have names, computers do too. We call them computers. Our computer friend is like a magical box with a special brain inside. This brain is called a processor and it helps the computer think really fast. The screen is like its face and the keyboard is like its way of talking. You can tell your computer friend what you want to do by typing on the keyboard. When you want to play with your computer friend, you press a button to wake it up. This is called turning on the computer. It's a bit like saying, "Good morning, computer." Once your computer friend is awake, you see a desktop on the screen. It's like a magical table where you can find all the things you need. There might be icons, which are like pictures that help you open different programs or games. Programs are like games or activities you can do on the computer. You can open them by clicking on their icons. For example, if you want to draw, there's a drawing program. If you want to play games, there's a special game programs. It's like having a toy box with lots of different toys inside. The internet is like a treasure chest full of information and fun stuff. You can ask your computer friend to take you on adventures by visiting websites. You might find cool stories, pictures, or even videos of your favorite things. Just like we have to be careful when crossing the road, we need to be careful on the internet too. Only visit websites your grown-up approves. And remember not to share personal information with strangers. When you create something awesome on the computer, you can save it so you can look at it later. It's like putting your artwork in a special folder so you don't lose it. So, that's your computer friend. It's a helpful magical box that opens up a world of fun and learning. Whether you are drawing, playing games, or exploring the internet, your computer friend is here to join in the adventure with you. Do you know about all the computer parts in detail? Don't worry, we will talk about that in our next video. Subscribe my channel to get the notification. Thank you.